This is the cutest little whiteboard setup. This is so great. So it's a pinboard on one side, whiteboard on pinboard on 1/3, whiteboard on 2/3, and then on the back is all whiteboard. It comes with little round stickers so that you can hang it up like I have displayed here. Comes with a nice little marker that has a rubber on top and a magnet so it can stick back on, plus its own eraser. We've got magnets here, and then it comes with pins for the pinboard. Such a great little setup, perfect for a kid's room, maybe your like drop and go kind of station, maybe your command center at home, that sort of thing. Maybe you just have it on a dorm door so that you can leave messages for people and that kind of thing. So all in all, a really great whiteboard setup. It's not too big as well, which I love, so highly recommend it. Go check it out.